Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na yung paborito niyong Hapon-Haponesa, Bianca in Japan. So now we're going to Fukushima. Let's go! Go! 福島。
福島にもないです。
忘れちゃった。後で教えるわ。
ちなみに日本は今季節なんですか？
秋です。
冬ですね。
冬？No, it's still autumn. It's mid-autumn and mid-winter.
Express train number 21 bound for Tokyo is arriving. Please be aware this train is not bound for Takebayashi. For your safety, please stand behind the step.
最後でいいや。
通常発売額と異なりますのでご了承ください。
ああ。いた。
Window seat.
座席の確認をさせていただきます。全車両座席車になっております。レディースのチケット表示は1号車、4号車、6号車に
うまい。
So, sumakay na kami ng second train papuntang YUNISHIGAWA Onsen. So, dumaan kami dito sa Kinugawa Onsen. Makikita nyo sa labas, maganda yung view namin today.
湯川温泉来たことあるでしょ。
So, pumunta kami sa Kinugawa Onsen, I think last year. Maganda rin dito. Tsaka meron siyang famous na river dito sa Japan. Yung lake niya, maalon. Oh, dumaan yung SpaceX. So, babalik ako kayo pag nakarating na kami dun sa pupuntahan namin talaga. See you later!
俺とせ。
It's the most magical view with Kazu.
見せてみて。
dito sa YUNISHIGAWA Onsen. Napaka-unique ng station nila kasi if you can see, merong tunnel doon, saka meron ditong picture. So ito yung titingnan natin mamaya. Ito. Yan yung gusto natin makita mamaya dito. Tara na. Let's go.
何語喋ってるの？
タガロ語で喋ってるよ。
ミニオン見て。
ミニオン？
うん。
嘘。
こっちですね。
私日本語できる。
いや、はい、先行って。はい。
This is so cute. What is this, Kazu?
No, I don't know. 頑張れ。
Is this yokai?
え、
Yokai? マジ？カパ？
すごい長い階段ですね。
うん。どれ気をつけて。It's a really strange station, but I like it. I like the vibes.
エグジット。あ、
十分は十分だよ。Nakarating na kami dito sa YUNISHIGAWA Onsen at ang ganda-ganda naman talaga nung pinuntahan naming Koyo or yung fall leaves. So if you see over there, merong magandang bridge, maganda siya. And then meron din dito, lahat yan Koyo. Excited na ako pumunta sa ryokan namin. Nagugutom na rin ako eh. Doon tayo?
I don't know.
Sasakay pala kami ng bus. Nakarating na po tayo dito sa pupuntahan natin yung hotel natin. Magsistay kami sa isang ryokan. Ryokan which means parang traditional Japanese hotel siya. Tapos kakain rin tayo ng traditional ryokan food mamaya. Yay!
How do you feel dressed?
It's a bit rainy today, so it's not particularly good weather, but it feels nice being here. It's a little cold, but it feels good. It feels like an adventure. Wow! It's so pretty.
Nature?
Nature. Thank you so much, Kazu, for bringing me here. I feel so happy. Ryokan te, achi?
あ、これ。
彼氏。彼氏とエンジョイしたい。
エンジョイ。
ちょっとね。
なんでこの温泉街できたんですか？
あ
あ、でバッチの方に行こう。バッグ持つよ。あ、はい、サンバサンバ。
いいよ。
はい。綺麗だよ。
ちょっと。え、ちょっと。
綺麗だよ。
何気をつけて。危ない。はい。
はい。
はい。ちょっと待って。
何も喋ってない。
ツーショット。ボイスオーバーにするやつ大丈夫？ れだけを暮らせて。
How do you feel this village?
So, it's a village where there's nothing here, but it's a village that's really quaint and pretty. So, funny story. Me and Kazu don't really have cash with us. We only have credit cards. And when we got here, we both have such little cash. So we have to do free stuff around this place. But there's so much free stuff to do. There's so much to see. Let's go see it.
Ah, すごい綺麗な街並み。楽しんでるよ。
There's lots of old houses over there. And then we want to cross that bridge. That bridge with, you know, I don't think it's very sturdy. I think it's going to be a little scary to cross. But I think it's going to be fun. And it's free.
Okay. You wanna try?
Yes. And Kazu wants to try too.
No.
Hmm? Stop. Like, stop. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Walking. Omiji. Let's go.
Where you go?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Okay, 本当にこのもみじ。
行ってみる？
あ、見たね。
Do you like koyo?
Yes, I like fall leaves
Why?
because it signifies change. So right now I'm in the point of my life where I am undergoing another change. So I like autumn. I'm excited for the change.
Philippines don't have koyo.
We don't have autumn in the Philippines. We have summer and we have rainy season, and that's it. So I'm very happy to experience koyo or fall leaves. So we got left by the bus that was supposed to take us from the hotel to the station, and we have to wait another 4 hours, or we have to walk down from this place to the station, and it's gonna take 4 hours of walking to go to the station. So I guess we're going to try walking. Let's see if which comes first, the bus or us coming to the station. We're walking towards the station, but at least we have this beautiful view.
歩いて歩いて。
It came to the point that there's no more stores here. And we're actually hoping for a store that accepts credit cards. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but let's see.
Like a Blair Witch Project.
No, it's so scary.
早い早い歩く。Sorry.モデル歩き。何？オキシジェン少ない？
Oxygen? Oxygen?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the oxygen is a bit thin here. So it's causing our ears to ring, and it's causing us to have just a little bit of a headache.
Why?
Because it's too high up. It's 700 meters off the ground. And there's nothing here. Hi. Hi. We finally found a place that might accept credit cards, and we're so relieved. We can wait here until the time for the bus comes.
なんで？
ムズノサート観光センター前。
なんで？
The bus will come at 1:10 p.m. We have to wait I think over an hour. Yeah, just 1 hour and 20 minutes for the next bus, but that's just 1 hour. Oh, 綺麗な橋がある。レストランあるのかしら。あるはずですよね、この大きいとこ。いやクマいるよ。 No. So we explored the area of Yunishigawa Onsen. We walked a lot. We had a good time, and now it's time to say bye bye to this place. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe below if you want to see more of our adventures here in Tokyo, Japan. Thank you so much. Bye.
Time to say goodbye. Our day was great, now it's time to go home. It's getting late. We've